a beaut. How neat is that? Hi guys, welcome to the Nature Channel. Today we're gonna view nature, one of the most natural places in the earth. Nature, so beautiful. All right, let's start it off. So one of the greenies. What a beaut. What a beaut. What a very beaut. Yeah. That's very neat. It has a lot of animals. Like a lot. Like freaking
Bear.
bears,
lions,
crocodiles. Like here in this nature, in this forest, I think they have crocodiles, they have sharks, they have freaking fishes. There's a scary. They got turtles, everything. Let's call for them. So, hey boy. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Maybe they call, maybe they call from shaking up the earth a little bit, you know? Hey boy. Come on, boy. Gosh dang it. There's no crocodiles again. Nature. But yeah, let's keep walking. We'll show you around. Oh, guys, come on, look. You see this? A tree. It's pretty nice. You know how I know it's a tree? The way it's lighting. Look at it. Wow. It's crazy, right?
How neat is that?
How neat is that? What a beaut.
What a beaut.
Right. Nature, it looks so, normal and quiet and peaceful. It's not. These animals are crazy. And you always gotta be loaded. This stick, she has one too. This stick will protect you from everything. We gotta be loaded. Because you gotta be like, don't get away from me, boy! Get away from me! I got you, I can cut you with the stick! Okay? This is how I scare them off. Come on, let's go.
So this is how you're trying to get, the animals' attention, crocodiles, bears, lions,
To know them when you're there, right?
Yeah, so
So you don't cross paths.
do it.
Shh, you hear that? Hey, boy! Where you at? Ah!
Do you hear that?
You hear that?
Run!
To look for the animals, so you don't, get scared and see them. Always have your binoculars so you can see how far they are and how clear they are and how big they are, because you gotta know if you could fight them. So you gotta always wear your binoculars. Wow.
Oh, snap! Oh!
Your weapon is your best thing because they can make fires. You're trying to camp. What a view. Look at that fire. Ooh, the sparks. Wow. You see that fire? It's literally yellow. That's really good fire. You can cook some freaking brisket,
Hot dogs,
some barbecue,
s'mores.
some like pork. Oh, I'm touching that fire. It's hot. Oh, shit. Wait, go.
You see this? Wow. It's like a major palm tree. Wow. Pretty neat. Very neat. Beaut. What a beaut.
A dead tree. See, these people, human beings, cut these trees down and make it called a stump. Look at the stump. It's been dead probably for like about maybe 2 days. 2 days, yeah, 2 days. And they just shred it up and just pour its ashes right here on the earth to make more babies and more trees. What a beaut. That's so cool. That's so rad.
Wow, the trees are growing earrings for us. Mother Nature did this? Wow. Let's see. Look at the. Oh, this came with a bling too.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, shit. You see? Bears! Let's go!
Nature is pretty rad. Pretty rad. Very rad.
Very red.
Very rad. Yeah.
See you next time on our next episode.
Next episode of Nature Walk. Yeah. So guys, Nature's pretty cool, but you can get lost,
Yeah,
like us.
we're pretty lost.
We're pretty lost in
I
this
don't know where we're at.
garden. I mean, what's freaking forest? We in a forest. Yeah, we kind of lost.
Yeah, we don't know where we are.
Yeah,
So
we follow the trails. We'll be lost for hours now.
we're like, oh dang, 6 hours.
Those signs, don't read them. Those are fake, very fake.
We've been following them for so long.
Well, look at us. We're lost.
We're so lost. Like,
So lost. So lost. Like, guys, look. You see this stone? It's engraved by Aztecs. You know how old that might be? Very old because there's grass growing on it. That's so neat.
what a beaut.
I think we are in Alice in Wonderland because look, this is the White Rabbit's house. This is where he goes in. Knock on the door.
Get that phone.
Oh my gosh, let's go.
See this? These are the trees. Turds. Let's smell it. Huh? Oh my gosh, you see that white thing? It's HIV!
Ah! You gotta wash your hands now. And guys, that's a wrap for our nature walk.
What a beaut.
I hope you can see us next time.
We come and go on an adventure of the nature.
Nature's pretty rad. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Bye.